you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Can I get a demo? Yep. All right. Real nice in here. More space in here. What you running here?
4 audio waste Jester 15s and 10,000 watts.
10,000? Okay. That's a lot different. That's a lot different. This same amp from last time?
Yep.
What kind of amp is it like? Just a...
It's 2 JP43s.
2 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, we're planning on switching them out for some Stetson 8Ks.
Yeah, going a little bit bigger. That thing is nice. I sure appreciate it. Let me know where they can find y'all at.
We're on TikTok at the Bass Kitty, and you can find DJ Dirty Bass on there too as DJ Dirty Bass, and on Facebook. Same name. Okay,
y'all be sure to pick your flash drives up at djdirtybass.com, right?
Yep.
All right, y'all see y'all next time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, boy, that was painful right there, boy. You been in this? Yeah. Okay, you done been. Oh, so I'm late then. Oh, okay. That's all right there.
You got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.